Hey there, bike enthusiast! Welcome back to Origin Techies, or if you're new here, thanks for dropping by. Today, we've got an electrifying topic to discuss: the best electric tricycles for cargo and families. Whether you're a busy parent looking for a convenient and eco-friendly way to transport your kids or a business owner needing a reliable cargo carrier, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of electric tricycles, exploring the top models offering exceptional cargo capacity and family-friendly features. We'll discuss their key specifications, performance, and what sets them apart from the competition. If you're ready to discover the perfect electric tricycle to make your daily life easier and more efficient, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our informative content. Let's get rolling into the exciting world of electric tricycles. Cube Trike Family Hybrid. The Cube Trike Family Hybrid is a game-changer in electric tricycles. This trike is priced at €7,299 and is designed to cater to cargo needs and family adventures. At its heart lies the powerful Bosch drive unit Cargo Line Generation 4, delivering a whopping 85 Nm of torque with a 250-watt output powered by the smart system. Control is at your fingertips with the Bosch LED remote and displayed beautifully on the Bosch Kiosk 300 screen. The Cube Trike has a Bosch PowerTube 750 axial battery and a rapid 4-amp charger, ensuring you're always ready to roll. The Tektro Origet Win Plus HD 745 brake system guarantees your safety, and the Enviolo Cargo manual shifters make gear changes a breeze. Its innovative tilting mechanism sets this trike apart, providing stability and a natural ride feel. It's like riding a regular bike, even with cargo or kids. With a comfortable saddle, telescoping seat post, and premium components, this trike ensures a smooth and enjoyable journey. Plus, extras like the Bosch Connect module add to its appeal. Don't miss out on the Cube Trike Family Hybrid, the ultimate cargo and family transport solution, redefining your riding experience. Mate SUV. Get ready to meet the future of urban mobility, the Mate SUV. Priced at just $6,900, this electric bike redefines how we commute and carry cargo. Powered by the robust Oli-Edge 250-watt mid-drive motor, the Mate SUV offers an impressive range of up to 100 kilometers on a single charge, making it the perfect choice for daily commuting and leisure rides. With a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour and a torque of 90 Nm, you'll experience smooth and effortless riding. Safety is a priority with hydraulic twin-disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power. The Enviolo internal gears provide a seamless and efficient riding experience, while the 210 liters load capacity allows you to carry your cargo easily. Moreover, the Mate SUV is eco-conscious with its 90% recycled aluminum frame, contributing to a greener planet. It's spacious yet compact, measuring length 2,200 millimeters by width 920 millimeters, and weighs just 49 kilograms. Whether you're commuting or running errands, the Mate SUV offers a convenient and sustainable solution that's fun and practical. Join the e-bike revolution today. Aitour Family C. The Aitour Family C is a revolutionary electric cargo bike that redefines family adventures and urban mobility. Priced at €3,999, it's a versatile, eco-friendly solution for modern families. This bike is powered by the Ananda 250-watt 48-volt mid-engine, boasting a max torque of 120 Nm and torque sensor technology, and offers impressive performance and responsiveness. The Bengal hydraulic disc brakes ensure your safety on the road, while the Shimano Nexus 7-speed hub gears provide seamless gear shifting. With Innova puncture-proof tires and a 48-volt 13.4-amp battery, you can easily count on a smooth and efficient ride, covering long distances. The ergonomic design, including an inclined seat tube, enhances comfort during your journeys. What truly sets the Aitour Family C apart is its remarkable cargo capacity. With space for up to 4 children or 2 adults, this bike is perfect for family outings. The front-loading carriage design allows you to interact with your passengers while keeping an eye on them. with a waterproof cargo box, the ability to carry up to 300 pounds of cargo, and an overall loading capacity of 660 pounds. This bike is a true workhorse. Say goodbye to transportation challenges with the Aitour Family C, your ultimate family and cargo companion. Max and Maleon. Get ready to meet the Max and Maleon, the ultimate e-cargo bike designed to conquer the urban jungle. Priced at €3,999. This bicycle powerhouse is here to revolutionize your commuting and cargo carrying experience. At its core lies the mighty ZF Saxar's mid-motor, delivering a jaw-dropping 112 Nm of torque. With 250 watts of continuous power, 700 watts peak, it effortlessly supports speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, making uphill climbs and stop-and-go traffic a breeze. The BMZ cargo battery packs an impressive 814 watt-hour, offering a 50 to 100 km range, depending on your payload and conditions. Crafted with precision, the robust European 25 CRMO4 steel frame is hand-welded in Stuttgart, ensuring durability and reliability. The passenger cabin features a spacious 70 cm bench seat with a lockable trunk, perfect for transporting your cargo securely. Choose from continuously variable NVO low heavy-duty gears or roll-off speed hub gears for your preferred riding style. Safety is paramount with far worker hydraulic disc brakes designed for high payloads. Illuminate your path with Bush & Muller IQX's front headlight and Secus D or Line Brex brake light in the rear. With options for suspension or post-mount seat posts and a weight capacity of up to 250 kilograms, the Max and Maleon is versatile. Say goodbye to traffic jams and hello to a greener, more efficient way of getting around with Max and Maleon. Black Iron Horse Pony 2. The Black Iron Horse Pony 2 is a versatile, eco-friendly cargo bike designed to make urban commuting and family adventures a breeze. Priced at €6,234. This bike packs a punch regarding performance and functionality. Powered by the Shimano Steps E6100 motor with 60 Nm of torque and 250 watts of power, you'll effortlessly conquer city streets and hills. The Shimano Steps SCE 6100 display keeps you informed, while the Shimano Steps 418 watt-hour battery provides reliable power for your rides. With 5 internal gears and a Shimano electronic gearbox, this bike offers smooth and efficient shifting. The double seat, made from recycled plastic, comfortably accommodates passengers, and the integrated lights, lock, mudguards, and bell ensure safety and convenience. The cargo box, also constructed from recycled plastic, is spacious and easy to access, with adjustable seating and a hydraulic stabilizer for added comfort and stability. The hydraulic disc brakes and puncture-resistant Schwalbe tires provide reliable stopping power and durability. The Black Iron Horse Pony 2 stands out with a stylish black frame. Its dimensions, including a 120 kilograms box capacity, 110 kilograms bench capacity, and 110 kilograms rider capacity, make it a true workhorse for your cargo needs. Plus, the Panoramix umbrella hood and AXA Compact Line 20 e-bike front lights ensure you ride in style and safety. Experience the future of urban transportation with the Black Iron Horse Pony 2, where functionality meets eco-conscious design. Aitour Starter. The Aitour Starter is the perfect entry point into the world of electric cargo bikes, priced at just €2,599. The heart of the Aitour Starter is the robust 8km 95RX 48-volt 250-watt motor, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride. The hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, while the Shimano 7-speed gears offer versatility in various riding conditions. You can enjoy a hassle-free and extended journey with Innova puncture-proof tires and a 48-volt 13.4 amp-hour battery. The inclined seat tube adds comfort to your ride, and the LCD 21 coulombs display informs you about your speed and battery life. With a focus on ergonomics, the Aitour Starter is suitable for riders from 165 to 195 centimeters, making it accessible to a wide range of individuals. The spacious cargo box, with a 120 to 150 kilograms capacity, can comfortably accommodate 4 children or 2 adults. Durable and waterproof, this bike is designed to withstand the elements and protect your cargo. With dimensions that offer ample space and a total loading capacity of 300 kilograms, the Aitour Starter is the perfect companion for your family or cargo hauling needs. Experience the convenience and versatility of an electric cargo bike without breaking the bank with the Aitour Starter. Socibike. The Socibike is a true game-changer in family-friendly electric cargo bikes, priced at €4,749. This bike is designed to make your daily commuting and family outings an absolute joy. At the heart of the Socibike is the powerful Babboe Max Drive mid-drive motor, delivering 250 watts of power and an impressive 80 Nm of torque. With a 720 watt-hour, 36-volt, 20 power Maleon battery, you can enjoy a 45 to 100 kilometers range, depending on your load, weather, and road conditions. Built to last, this bike boasts an aluminum rear frame and an electroplated steel front frame. The Ride double-wall wheels, Schwalbe Big Apple Plus tires, and Enviolo CD automatic shifting gearbox ensure a smooth and comfortable ride. Safety is paramount with Zoom hydraulic disc brakes, a Hebe chain glider chain protector, and double front integrated lights. The high-capacity luggage rack can carry up to 45 kilograms, and the front pivot hatch door makes loading a breeze. With seating for 2 children, equipped with shock-absorbing foam seats and 3-point safety harnesses, the Socibike offers a secure and comfortable ride for your little ones. Plus, with an impressive box capacity of up to 100 kilograms, this bike is ready to handle all your cargo needs. Available in a stunning array of 65 RAL colors, the Socibike combines functionality, style, and sustainability into one fantastic package. Gleam Escape. The Gleam Escape is a groundbreaking electric cargo trike that redefines how we transport goods and enjoy family outings. Priced at £8,988, this innovative trike has recently been awarded the prestigious Bronze Award in the International Cargo Bike Awards, and for good reason. One of its standout features is its unparalleled stability, thanks to dynamic tilting technology perfected over 7 years. This technology adapts to the terrain's camber, ensuring all wheels stay grounded even during sharp turns and road dips. Comfort takes center stage with the Gleam Escape, the world's first full-suspension electric cargo trike designed for heavy loads. Whether you're transporting cargo or passengers, expect a smooth and cushioned ride. Safety is a top priority, with optimal traction and maximum surface contact at all times. Versatility is another highlight. The GleamFlex superstructures and fast lock extension system allow you to effortlessly transform the trike for various purposes, from the school run to business mode. If you need more power and flexibility, optional upgrades include a trailer hitch, dual battery, Enviolo automatic gear changes, and custom RAL color choices. Experience the future of cargo transportation and family adventures with the Gleam Escape, where stability, comfort, safety, and versatility come together in one remarkable package. Butchers and Bicycles MK1E Gen 3. The Butchers and Bicycles MK1E Gen 3 is a remarkable electric cargo bike redefining urban transportation. Priced at €6,444. This bike is a game-changer for families and businesses. Powered by the Bosch Performance Line CX Gen 4 motor with 250 watt and a maximum torque of 85 Nm, the MK1E Gen 3 ensures effortless rides even with heavy cargo loads. Choose a 500 watt-hour or a whopping 1000 watt-hour Bosch battery with a dual battery option for extended range. The Enviolo Heavy Duty Plus Gates CDX drivetrain provides smooth and efficient shifting, while the hydraulic disc brakes with a parking brake guarantee safety and control. Built with precision, the aluminum frame is designed for riders between 155 and 205 centimeters, and the adjustable seat and handlebar heights offer comfort for various riders. This bike is a true workhorse with a permissible total weight of 250 kilograms and a maximum load capacity of 100 kilograms in the box. The spacious 220 liters box, made from ABS and PC materials, easily carries all your cargo. The Butchers and Bicycles MK1E Gen 3 epitomizes practicality and versatility, making it ideal for urban commuters and cargo transport enthusiasts. Babboe Go Mountain. The Babboe Go epitomizes practicality and style in electric cargo bikes, priced at €5,265. This cargo bike offers a high-quality package at an affordable price. The Babboe Go boasts a mid-motor with a formidable 70 Nm of torque, making it a breeze to tackle rolling and hilly roads. You can effortlessly adjust your riding pace with a stepless hub gear system. Designed with your family in mind, this cargo bike comes equipped with two 3-point seat belts, ensuring safety for your little ones. The spacious cargo box features a lockable door, offering room for 2 children and even your furry friend, making it perfect for family outings. The battery is conveniently located under the bench, and with a 40 to 60 kilometers action radius and a charging time of 4 to 6 hours, you'll enjoy ample riding time on a single charge. Elegant, functional, and affordable, the Babboe Go Mountain is the ideal solution for eco-conscious families looking to combine style and practicality in their daily commute and family adventures. We hope you found the information valuable and insightful. Please comment below if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts. Remember to like and subscribe for more informative content on electric tricycles and other exciting topics. Thank you for watching.